This is Luna. She's gonna be your new best friend. When Luna wakes up, she stretches and sneezes. You know, like a pet. Then she hears the door opening. It's you! Luna is excited and comes running to greet you. Pet her on the head. She loves that. As you walk around, Luna tags along. And no matter where she's at, and she'll come running. Luna is an incredible pet who just happens to be a robot.
Luna.
She's very well trained and listens to both vocal and gesture commands.
Luna. Luna.
And whatever she feels, she'll let you know with her eyes, ears, and legs. Wanna play? Luna loves to play. She's incredible at trivia. Worried about your home when you're away? Want your pet to have a friend when you're not home? Or just want some communication from afar? Your new best friend got your back.
Daddy, where are you coming home?
I'll be home at 6.
Luna always wants to learn new tricks. With a simple drag and drop based on Qoobo, tomorrow she'll wake up with you.
Hey, Emo. Emo. Turn the light on.
Emo is an AI desktop pet. A little naughty, but very smart. He has his own personality and feelings. He stays by your side to keep you company, to surprise you, and yes, sometimes to annoy you. Just like a real pet.
What's the weather?
Emo, take a picture.
Emo uses 2 highly advanced deep neural network CPUs and more than 10 sensors. It's a complex system that contains millions of lines of code to transform AI into a lifelike personality complete with emotion. We have done a great job on Emo and test a lot to make sure Emo is ready to live with you. Emo may not change your life, but he will always bring you a little joy and fun.
Wow! Hello, I'm Petit Qoobo. See? I'm much smaller than my daddy. So, my family can carry me around anywhere. When she's working, and when she's just chilling, I can always comfort her with my tail. I get the urge to wag my tail when I hear sounds.
Good night, Qoobo.
I think the sound of my heartbeat is comforting to her. Phew! I don't do well with loud noises. See you soon, Petit Qoobo!
You're looking into the eyes of a robot, and he's looking back at you. He's curious about who you are and what you're up to. This is Vector. This is a video about Vector. There's got to be a huge amount of code inside the robot. That code creates his intelligence and his personality. Autonomous like a Mars rover, aware enough to avoid falls like a tightrope walker, ooh, and always excited to welcome you home like a loyal companion.
What's up, Vector?
Vector's no slouch roommate either. He's happiest when he's helping out. Ask him the weather, and he'll show you. He can set a timer and cause a commotion when it's finished. Activate robot alarm. And he can answer your questions.
Definition of life, the characteristic state in the world of living.
He's a little robot who brings a lot to your house. He's also a little robot with nearly 700 parts. That one right there, that's his soul part. Okay, I made that one up, but the little guy's got soul. Did I mention he likes to be pet? I know. That is delightful and entertaining. You officially live in a time when robot sidekicks are a real thing.
Hey, Vector. Give me a fist bump.
Vector is ready to live in your house. Or at least he will be after this nap. Sweet robot dreams, buddy.
With an innovative bipedal design, the Iron Man MK50 Robot combines cutting-edge robotics and integrated app entertainment that provide a window into the exciting world of Iron Man.
Armor is locked and loaded.
Design custom animation sequences using block-based programming that can be downloaded and triggered via voice command. The robot's hardware features create an interactive Iron Man augmented reality experience like no other.
Ha! Not today. Enough standing around. Let's do this.
Tracking map detected.
A first for Marvel. This walking, talking Iron Man MK50 Robot by Ubitech brings Tony Stark to life.
Now it's a party.
Create, control, code, and battle against enemies inspired by iconic Marvel Cinematic Universe villains in high-tech AR battles.
Enemy eliminated.
You can also upload your own face and record audio to reenact some of your favorite superhero moments. Stop right there. What's the password? Iron Man MK50 Robot by Ubitech. Available now.
Meet Ilek, a little desktop companion bot with endless fun. Ilek comes with 3 touching areas. Try petting his head, belly, and his back. Don't touch his back when he's upset, or Ilek will hit you with his sword, gun, or taser. Of course, you can fight back. Ilek is not always so strong. He is afraid of heights, so remember to comfort him when he's upset. You don't need to keep an eye on him. He will play around when he gets bored, but sometimes he will get in trouble. Ilek is growing. You can connect him to your Mac or PC to unlock more content. Ilek wants to be helpful. He can set a countdown timer to help you track with your work. And he loves to play games with you. You can snap 2 Ileks together to start the magic moment.
Okay. Cheers! Okay. Oh no!
Not enough? How about this?